and non-motile. Okay, so motility is not present here. Okay, now this if we are saying that what the problems they are containing, rhizopus or mucor, so we have to see that. But before going into that, we have to see how this is doing spoilage, or what are the things they are spoiling. Just we have seen already, bread they are spoiling, mustard they are destroying. Okay, so first we have to see spoilage of food. They are doing what? Spoilage of food. So spoilage of food. Mostly what happens, exposed bread, that bread is openly kept. Okay, so exposed bread and other food particles are spoiled by rhizopus. Exposed bread and other food particles mostly spoiled by rhizopus. Okay, so mostly this is spoiled by which one? That is spoiled by rhizopus. So this is their importance. Okay, they are disturbing, they are destroying. Next is what? This also attack to sweet potato. So next is soft rot disease. They are causing soft rot disease. These are the medical questions. Please give attention. Okay, so soft rot disease. Here what happens? Rhizopus species attack sweet potato, apple, and strawberry. Rhizopus species attack sweet potato, strawberry. Okay, so this Rhizopus species mostly attack what? Sweet potato, strawberry, and apple plants. Okay, and apple plants and apple plants and causes leek disease known as soft rot. Here what happens? The crops are looking very nice, but when you will cut that, so that pieces are looking inside black spots. Okay, so this is having soft rot disease. Now the germinating maize grains also attacked. So here also what happens? Germinating maize grains also attacked by rhizopus. That are also attacked by which one? Rhizopus. So these terms you have to remember, that sweet potato, strawberry, and apple, along with germinating maize grains, that are being attacked by what? That are being attacked by which one? Rhizopus species. So that causing soft rot disease. Okay. Next is one more disease is there, that is known as a mucormycosis, that happens due to mucor. So come on that, mucormycosis. as a term suggests, this is happens with the help of what? Mucor. So what is happening here? The species are there like Mucor pusillus and Mucor ramossimus. What I told? Mucor pusillus and Mucor ramossius. Okay, Mucor ramossimus. Okay, Mucor ramossimus or Mucor ramossimus. Both is there. Ramossimus. Okay, so this Mucor pusillus and Mucor ramossimus or ramossimus, what they are doing, they attack internal human organs. So they are doing what? Attacks human internal organs. Okay, they are attacking what? Human internal organs, including lungs, including alimentary canal, including nervous system. So what I told? Including nervous system, lungs, and alimentary canal. And damage them. Okay, so which one is that? This you have to remember. One is Mucor pusillus and one is Mucor ramossimus. So these are attacking human internal organs and that causes which disease? Mucormycosis. Now, next, if we are seeing a fermented food, so this fermented food are prepared, that is their beneficial role. Okay, so come on that fermented food. Fermented food. Now this fermented food example is a temp. What is do you mean by temp? So that is a solid food prepared from soya bean. So a product temp. It is what? Solid food prepared from soya bean. Okay, so this is temp. Temp, prepared solid food which is prepared from soya bean. Another one is there, sufu, that is known as a Chinese cheese. Sufu, it is Chinese cheese. Okay, so this temp, this sufu, okay, these are prepared with the help of rhizopus and mucor respectively. So are produced by rhizopus and mucor respectively. Okay, this you have to remember that temp, sufu, from where that are preparing. So from rhizopus and mucor respectively they are forming, and these are what? These are fermented food. If we are coming on their chemical items, okay, so what are the chemicals they are produced? So this citric acid is produced by mucor from molasses. So come on that chemicals, these are beneficiary activities. chemicals. So here first, citric acid is prepared from mucor, which acts on molasses. Okay, so that are having what? That acts on molasses. If we are seeing fumaric acid, so come on that. Fumaric acid. Now, this fumaric acid prepared from what? Rhizopus stolonifer is prepared from Rhizopus stolonifer. Okay, so fumaric acid is prepared by Rhizopus stolonifer. If we are seeing by lactic acid, so this lactic acid also prepared by Rhizopus stolonifer. So lactic acid is also prepared by Rhizopus stolonifer. Okay, this lactic acid also prepared. If we are seeing alcohol, so alcohol is preparing Rhizopus oryzae. So alcohol is prepared by Rhizopus oryzae. Okay, so these are the chemicals that are being prepared. Now antibiotics also having antibiotics. Now one antibiotic is there, that name is ramycin. So this ramycin is prepared by Mucor rhamnosus. What is that? Ramycin antibiotic is prepared by Mucor. Okay, that is prepared by what? Mucor. And full name is Mucor rhamnosus. So this is the antibiotic ramycin that being prepared by Mucor rhamnosus. If we are seeing wastewater treatment, so Mucor arises, it doing what? Removes heavy metal contamination of water. So wastewater management. These name you have to remember. Waste water management. Now, here what happened? One a mucor arises. What it is going? Growth of mucor arises. Removes heavy metal contamination. Heavy metal contamination from water. Okay, so these species you have to remember that Which organism removes heavy metal contamination from water? Okay. Now, this phycomycetes, another group is there, another member is there, that is albugo. Albugo, and this albugo we'll discuss in next class. Thank you.